Hello everyone, this is Paul and in this class I will share the basics of paper. We will look at some of the papers offered by Brustro that are suitable for graphite and charcoal works. We are starting with paper because depending on the final result or look of the artwork, this is the first step in choosing and selecting the first variable, that is paper. First we have the Brustro Artist Drawing Pad 160 GSM. Next, this is the Artist Sketch 110 GSM. This is the Brustro Bristol 250 GSM. And finally, the Brustro Drawing 200 GSM. All these are acid-free paper, which means they are long-lasting and will not yellow or fade over time. In this tutorial, we will mainly focus on these two papers, which are both quite versatile and can be used for various kind of artwork, particularly heavy blending or detailed work because of the high GSM. This A3 160 GSM is very similar to the 200 GSM and is perfect for practice, and the 110 A4 pads are perfect for quick sketch or as artist journal. These are the art supplies that we're going to use today, and I have prepared the A5 paper by taping it down in this manner where we will demonstrate the various mediums. We're going to use the 200 GSM drawing paper for this one. I'm going to start in this first section using the Brustro charcoal powder. I'm applying the charcoal powder with this number 4 hog hair brush. I'm trying to get a darker tone on the top, and as it goes down, it goes lighter. I'm trying to see how this texture of the paper shows through in this different range of values. Next up, we will be using this woodless charcoal pencil by Brustro, and I am using the soft charcoal pencils. Again, I'm trying to apply darker values on the top, and as I am going down, I'm decreasing the pressure so that I can get lighter values. And as you can see, that amazing texture of the paper is showing through. Next, I will do the same thing, but this time I will blend using this Brustro paper stump and try to see how we can apply blending and what sort of texture we will get. You can see that with just one layer of blending, I can decrease those texture that we got using the soft charcoal pencil. Now I will be using the Brustro Fine Art Graphite Pencil. I'm using the 10B, again trying to do the same thing, that is the darker value on the top and lighter values on the bottom section, and I'm doing this by decreasing the amount of pressure I'm applying so that I can get this different range of values. This is the final result on the Brustro 200 GSM drawing paper, and you can see the various range of textures that we get from the different mediums. Here's the different grades of graphite and charcoal pencil on this paper. Now I will be using the 250 GSM Bristol paper. I have taped down in the similar manner, and I have already prepared the similar set of exercises that we did with the 200 GSM one. Here's the different grades of graphite and charcoal pencil on the 250 GSM Bristol drawing paper. As we compare the two, we can see a lot finer texture on the 250 GSM Bristol paper as compared to the 200 GSM one. Here are some of the samples I've done. This one is done on the 200 GSM drawing paper, and this one on the 250 GSM Bristol paper. Both of these papers are equally suited for very detailed and hyper-realism kind of work. I find that the 250 GSM Bristol paper are much equipped for finer details and smooth tones as compared to the 200 GSM drawing paper. Here's another paper that is quite underrated. This is the 250 GSM mixed media paper. Here you can see a lot more texture is showing through than the 200 GSM drawing paper. These are the different grades with graphite and charcoal pencil on this mixed media paper. If you want to emphasize on the texture, then this paper is perfect for you. Here I have prepared a small still life. Look how the texture brings out the values of this artwork. These are the art supplies that we used in this tutorial. I hope this was a helpful session and it will help you to choose your paper depending on the type of result or artwork that you are looking for. That's it guys for today's lesson. Stay safe and happy creating.